So this is kind of typical of some of the better breakfast places. Here in the South, it looks like a hole in the wall right next to a liquor store. Hi folks.
Hi folks.
It's another truck cab intro this morning. If it's not hot outside, it's raining. In our never-ending quest to find the next great place to eat breakfast, it finds us right here between our city and Dawsonville, between Cumming and Dawsonville, at Country Cafe. What's unique about this place is they advertise themselves to be a combination of Southern down-home cooking and Mexican food. So this should be an interesting breakfast experience. Check out these ham, I think. That's what I want. That's beautiful. But they have a great selection of breakfast and Mexican food here, Tammy. Have you decided what you wanted? You're still deciding? We're now at a half an hour and Tammy is still here trying to decide what to eat. So you see this is served as kind of a buffet style. It kind of reminds me of, if some of you remember places like Morrison's Cafe or Piccadilly, where you pick what you want individually and then they tally up all your choices and you get to the cash register as you see Tammy doing, and you pay for it. So it's not an actual all-you-can-eat buffet. It's just a buffet. So Tammy has opted for more of a. Let's just switch here to the drinks, honey.
Fatty got a bunch of carbs.
You got some carbs? Are the drinks both the same?
No, one's Coke, one's tea.
Thank you, honey. Tammy opted for more of a brunch. She has, because that country fried steak.
Yep.
Mashed potatoes and gravy, and of course, the favorite of adult children everywhere, mac and cheese. My order hasn't arrived yet, but Tammy has already launched full steak.
Good.
Full steak. Is it good?
Yeah, it is.
Can I have a little bite? That's a pretty good country fried steak. A lot more tender than I was expecting to bite into, too. And the gravy is not bad. That brown gravy, pretty good. They're real friendly here, are they not? Someone, or they thought someone ordered cheese grits. Tammy did not order cheese grits, but since they couldn't find anyone else to give them to, they brought them and gave them to Tammy. I think I might help you with the cheese grits, honey. Because after all, yes, your food does, what you ordered does not go with breakfast, and this is breakfast, so you're not allowed. I don't think you're allowed to eat the cheese grits. Folks, this place looks like a hole in the wall, does it not, Tammy?
Yeah.
It's connected to a gas station and a liquor store. But that's from the outside. But from the inside, this place is obviously very popular in the neighborhood. Look at the crowd lining up. It's a popular little place. Try these cheese grits. And they're cheesy, yellow. Let me blend them. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me show y'all this before I eat them. Cheesy cheese grits. That's a pretty sight. Okay, try the cheese grits, finally. All right, Tammy opted more for the brunch menu, but I went straight up breakfast. Look at this French toast platter here. Oh, that is pretty. I haven't tasted them yet, but you know, Tammy, I like the idea that it's not just the French toast and bread and syrup on the top of it, that you've got this fruit chopped up on it. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Looks pretty good. Some people just don't like sweet stuff for breakfast. Tammy doesn't like sweet stuff for breakfast. Of course, I like sweet stuff any time of the day, but maybe perhaps especially at breakfast. Chase the sweet with some cheese grits. Get a little savory. I've had one bite of my.
And I'm almost done. I ate fast. So.
Tammy, when you were hungry. Plus, that was a darn good country fried steak.
What you waiting on?
For you to eat it. There's the, you can check them out online. Apparently, Tammy, they have on tonight, if you want to come back, from 4 till close, they have for $65 all you can eat crab legs. You love seafood, don't you, Tammy?
I love it.
Okay, Tammy wants to try some of the French toast. A little sweet, huh?
Good though.
I got the kind of decor, Tammy, like Cracker Barrel used to be, huh? Tammy, we'll have to, when we're in the mood for Mexican food, we'll have to come here and just, instead of even thinking about it like a breakfast place, we'll have to come here and think about it like Los Rios or one of the Mexican places we go to and try the food, because the Mexican food looks pretty good up there. Especiales.
Dude, it smells good. It smells.
Yeah, it smells great outside. So Tammy, I was pleasantly surprised.
Me too. We'll have to come back here.
I don't know why I was pleasantly surprised. I should be used to by now a place that looks like a hole in the wall from the outside.
It's the best food.
It's usually the best food.
Yeah.
I'm coming back here. We've got to come back here.
Yep.
Country Cafe is right here on War Hill Park Road, right on the edge of Dawsonville and Cumming. You really can't miss it if you can find the liquor store and the gas station. You can find Country Cafe. But it was a great place for breakfast, and it looks like for any time of day.
Yeah.
So until the next time, this is Mike and Tam saying bye.